Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today we're tackling a specific Roblox error that many players encounter, error code 769. If you're seeing this connection error when trying to join games, I've got you covered with these proven solutions that should get you back to playing in no time. Let's start with the most common and effective fixes. This error typically relates to network connectivity issues or firewall settings. First, let's try the simplest solution: restart your router and computer. Unplug your router from power for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. While it's restarting, shut down your computer completely. Once your router has fully rebooted, all lights are stable, turn your computer back on and try Roblox again. If that doesn't work, let's check your firewall settings. Sometimes Windows Firewall can block Roblox's connection. Press Windows key, type Firewall, and open Windows Defender Firewall. Click Allow an app through Firewall on the left, then click Change Settings. Make sure both Roblox and Roblox Player are checked for both private and public networks. Now, let's flush your DNS cache. Press Windows key, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Type IP Protocol Configuration/flushdns and press Enter. Then type netwinsock reset and press Enter again. You'll need to restart your computer after this command. If you're still getting the error, let's try using Google's DNS servers. Go to Control Panel Network and Sharing Center, change adapter settings. Right-click your active network connection and select Properties. Double-click Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and select Use the following DNS server addresses. Enter 8.8.8.8 for preferred and 8.8.4.4 for alternate DNS server. For those using wireless connections, try switching to a wired Ethernet connection if possible. Wireless connections can sometimes cause stability issues with Roblox. If the problem persists, let's check for any VPN or proxy software that might be interfering. Temporarily disable any VPN services or proxy servers you might be using, then try launching Roblox again. As a last resort, you might need to reinstall Roblox. First, uninstall through Control Panel, then delete any remaining Roblox folders and program files and app data. Download a fresh installer from the official Roblox website and install again. I know how frustrating error code 769 can be when you're trying to enjoy Roblox with friends. One of these solutions should resolve the connection issue. For most players, flushing DNS or checking firewall settings does the trick. If this guide helped you get back to playing Roblox, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more gaming troubleshooting guides. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching.